Hi children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Children, today we are going to see mathematics only. Okay children, I am going to teach you again, revise again the exercise 5.7 because many of them are having doubt in prime numbers and composite numbers. When you do the sums, all have sent me wrong. So few of them have sent me wrong. So I will teach you what are prime numbers again, and I will teach you the exercise 5.7. Okay children, first of all we will see what are prime numbers. See, what are prime numbers means, children, the numbers which have that have only two factors. They have only two factors. Prime numbers have only two factors. Okay children, 1 and the number itself. 1 and the number itself. 1 and the number itself. Okay children, see, it will be multiplied by 1, and the number means if you write 13 means with 13. Understood children? Only it goes in one table and this 13 table. Only these two factors. See example, 2 will go in 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Likewise 7 table. 7 will go in 1 and 7. In any other table it doesn't goes. This 1, 2, it doesn't goes in any other table. Such numbers are called prime numbers. Such numbers are called prime numbers. And the other numbers like 4, 6 and all goes in more than 2 factors. More than 2 factors. So they are, see, because it goes in one table, it goes in 2 table, it goes in 4 table. So it goes more than one table. So that is called composite numbers. That is called composite numbers. One will be going in prime number as well as in composite number. So we doesn't take it as prime numbers. Understood children? So when you do the sums, you have to use only the prime numbers. Only the prime numbers. We'll see some of the prime numbers children. Children, we'll see what are prime numbers till 30. Till 30. Listen carefully. Okay children, what are the numbers will go? 2, 3, 5, 7. You have to keep in mind so that it will be very easy for you to do the sums. 7 and then 11, 13. It's given in page number 80 also. It's given in page number 18, 17, 19, 23, 29. See, these are the numbers between 30. These are the numbers between 1 to 30. 1 to 30. There are more numbers. I have given only between 1 to 30. So when you do the sums, you have to do with these numbers only. Many of them have written 4, 8 and all. These comes under composite numbers children. These comes under composite numbers. So you have to be thorough. You have to be careful what are prime numbers. You have to be thorough and you have to write according to this number only. You should not use composite numbers. Understood children? We'll see in exercise 5.7 that LCM sum by division method. 2 sums we'll see today. Okay children? We'll see. Exercise 5.7. Exercise 5.7. Okay children? First sum we'll see. Find the LCM by the division method. No need to copy down in the classwork note. No need to copy down in the classwork note. Don't think you have to do this sum. No. No need to do. If you want, you can copy down in rough note and keep with you. Okay children? Find the LCM by the division method. Okay. See, 15, 50. Okay children, we will see this sum by division method. 15. You have to leave some gap and write 50 here. Don't write near to 15. So it will be, you will get confused. See, you have to find out in these two numbers which the 15 and 50 goes in which table. You have to first find out. But what number, you have to be careful in 2, 3, 5, 7, like that only you have to find out. Okay, children? So you have to see these two, because 15 goes in 3 table also, but 50 doesn't go in 3 table, isn't it, children? So what you have to do, you have to see in which table this both goes. First it goes in 5 table, isn't it, children? 3 5s are 5 3s are 15 and 5 10s are 50. Isn't it, children? So again you have to draw a line. Now you have to find out 3 and 10 goes in which table. Well, in which table it goes? No, it goes only in 3 will go in 3 table and 10 will go in 10 tables. But this is prime number and this is composite number. Isn't it, children? So we should not leave as it is, because you should not leave as it. First what we can do, we can put 3, or first you can put a bigger number 5. See, 5 goes in 5 table, 10 goes, isn't it? In 10 goes in 5 tables, because 5 2s are 10. But 3 will go in 5 tables? No. So what you have to do, if this number doesn't multiply by it goes in 5th table, means you have to bring down this 3 as it is. You have to bring down this 3 as it is, and now 10 can be multiplied with 5 tables. 5 2s are 10. Understood, children? Now these two are prime numbers only. We can leave as it is, but we have to bring 1 as the remainder. You have to bring till 1 you have to divide. So only now we can put 3. 1 3 is 3. 1 3 is 3. But 2 goes in 3 table? No. So what you have to put, children? You have to bring down this 2 as it is. You have to bring down this 2 as it is. And then what you have to do? Now 1 here it came, isn't it? So you no need to multiply. So here what 2 is there? So here you have to put 2. So you have to bring down this 1, and 1 2 is 2. See, now 1 it came. So now what you have to do? Now only you have to find the LCM. So what is the LCM, children? LCM is equal to 5 into 5 into 3 into 2. So what is 5 into 5 into 3 into 2. You have to multiply this one. 5 5s are how much, children? 25. 5 5s are what, children? 25. 25 3s are 75. 20. See, if you feel hard, you can put like this. 25 3s are how much, children? 3 5s are 15. 3 2s are 6. 75. Now 75 into 2, what will come? 2 5s are 10. 2 7s are 14. 14 plus 1, 15. So what's the answer? 115. 115. So what's the answer? LCM of 15 and 50 is 150. Children, are you thorough, children? Now can you able to do these sums? Okay, one more sum we will do. Okay, children, one more sum we will do. Okay, the second sum. 16 and 40. 16 and 40. Okay, we'll do 16 here 40. So now we have to find out these two numbers goes in which table. 16 and 40 goes in which table? Can you put 3 tables? No, children, it goes in 2 tables. It goes in 2 tables. So what you have to write? 8 2s are 16. 8 2s are 16. And then what will come here? 20 2s are 40. 20 2s are, see, 2 2s are 4 and the 0 you have to keep. 20 2s are 40. And then if you have to see 8 and 20 goes in what table, children? Again it goes in 2 tables. 4 twos are 8, 10 twos are 20. Okay children, and then till the prime number you have to do the sum. Again 4 and 10 are composite numbers. This also goes in 2 table. So 2 twos are 4, 5 twos are 10. Now see, 2 also prime number, 5 also prime number. But what you have to bring? You have to bring down 1, 1. So first you have to put 2. So 1, 2 is 2, and 5 doesn't go in 2 tables. So what you have to do? You have to bring down this 5 as it is. You have to bring down this 5 as it is, and then you have to divide by 5. So we have to bring down this one, and 1 5 is 5. Understood children? Now what's the LCM children? So what's the LCM? LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. So what's the answer will come children? 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16, and 16 fives are 18. If you feel hard, you can multiply. 16 fives are, what will come children? 80. 16 fives are 80. So what's the answer? LCM of 16 and 40 is 80. Understood children? I think you are all thorough in these sums. So what any sums are remaining, what you can do children? You can do it in your rough note and you can practice so that it will be very easy. Okay. Now we'll see the LCM by factorization method. Okay children? Okay children, now we'll see find the LCM by the prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. So the first sum we'll see 21, 35. 21 and 35. In this also you have to use only what children? Prime numbers. You have to use only the prime numbers. So first you have to see prime factors. Prime factors of 21. See, 21 goes in what table children? You have only the prime number should be there. We should not use any other number. So what will come? 3 into 7. 3 7s are 21. This also prime number. 7 also prime number. Isn't it children? Okay. Then we have to write 35. So 35, in what prime numbers it goes? 5 7s are 35. See, 5 7s are 35. Now I have said, see, if 2 7 is there, you should consider as 1 7. See here 2 7 is there. So you have to consider as 1 7. So what you have to write? So LCM is equal to, what you have to write? 3 into 5 into 7. You should not write 7 into 7. You should not write 7 into 7. You have to write, consider as 1 7. So you have to write 1 7. So 5 3s are 15 and 15 7s are what children? 105. 15 7s are 7 5s are 35. 7 1 is 7. 8 9 10. So what will come? 105. So what's the answer? 105. So answer LCM of 21 and 35 is 105. Are you thorough children? I think hope you all have understood. So only one more sum I will teach you in this one. Okay children? Because I taught it fast, some of them couldn't understand, I think. So the second sum we'll see 12 and 22. Second sum we'll see 12 and 22. Okay children, we'll see how we can do the prime factorization method. So prime factors of 12 and here 22. Okay, what are the prime numbers we can use for 12 children? 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. For 22 what we can use? Only 2 table and 11, isn't it? 2 11s are 22. 2 11s are 22. So what you have to, if 2 2s are here, what you have to, you should consider as 1 2. You should consider as 1 2. So LCM is equal to 2. This 2 consider as 1 2. 2 into 2 into 3 into 11. This 2 as 1 2, 2, 3 and 11. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 and 12 11s are what comes children? 12 11s are 1 2 is 2, 1 1 is 1. 1 2 is 2, 1 1 is 1. So what will come? 2 3 1. So what's the answer children? 132. What's the answer? 132. So what will come? LCM of 12 and 22 is 132. LCM of 12 and 22 is 132. Children, are you thorough children in these two subdivisions? I think, hope you all are thorough in this one. You practice at home children so that it will be very easy. Other sums we can revise in Zoom class and in the other YouTube class. Okay children, we'll meet in the next class. Bye.